Hey everyone, friends. Callie Weller here. Today I'll show you how to link Epic Games to Social Club. For this, open any browser and basically all you need to do is go to the Rockstar Games website and log into your account. The Epic Games account actually links to Social Club automatically. When you launch any Rockstar Games game with online services and sign into your Rockstar account, right? So in my case, for example, GTA 5, if I launch it from here and log into my Rockstar Games account, it'll link automatically. But if you need another way, then go to the website, log into your account, click Account, then Settings. And here we have linked accounts. Only one Epic Games account can be linked to one account, I believe. I have mine here, right? So to link a different account, we'll need to click on Support and submit a request, submit an account request. That's it. So here we need to go to Account, Settings, Linking, Unlinking Accounts. There. Now we can go into account linking, but there's nothing useful here, so we need to create a ticket. Like this. In this ticket, you need to write, I want to link my Epic, write new or another. My another Epic Games account to this Social Club account. Name of my Epic Games account. And here you'll need to enter your Epic Games username. To do this, you need to click on Account. So go to the Epic Games website, log into your account, click Account, and copy your ID from here. Then paste it into our ticket. You can also add your Rockstar Games account name. Here's mine, yeah. So Rockstar Club account, Social Club account. Write the name here. And in my case, it's Mr. Doxy. But you'll need to enter yours, of course, and click Submit Ticket. That's how it's done. That's it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Your response will come here. See you, everyone.